Hey there. What's up, guys? I'm Mike.
And I'm Brit.
And we've finally started investing our money. So for years now, one of Brittany's and my biggest goals for us has been to start investing our money. And I can happily say that we have started doing that with our first 4 stocks, really.
Yeah.
4 stocks. So we have 4 stocks in the stock market and an app called Robinhood. That's kind of like an investment brokerage app I'll get into in a second. But if you've been following the channel for a while, you'll know that Brit and I have been holding off on investing and saving like crazy for a house. And we've been able to save up $60,000 or so in the past couple of years. 30 of that is going toward a house. 20 of that or so is staying in our savings account as an emergency fund. And we'll have an extra 10 or so left over to put toward furniture or just save for a rainy day or whatever. So the plan is, after our finances get settled down, after purchasing the home and moving in, the plan is to start investing like crazy. But I'm the type of person who's naturally curious, and being the curious type of person that I am, I've kind of been researching investment strategies and investing apps and brokerages and all sorts of things on the sidelines that I haven't really talked about on camera for the past couple of months, 2 or 3 months. I found one that I kind of was curious about that I wanted to try out. It's called Robinhood. Now, Robinhood is kind of comparable to other apps such as M1 Finance and Webull. Robinhood is an investment brokerage app. I'm not really sure the proper term to call it, but basically you can invest with it. It's totally free, commission free, so you don't have to pay like $6, $7, $8 commissions on buying or selling stocks or whatever.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Which is good for us because we don't want to, waste potential gains on our investment in commissions or whatever. So I figured it would be kind of cool to show you guys our initial 4-stock investment portfolio for the future. Now, I feel kind of weird saying this because we haven't actually purchased these stocks ourselves. They've all been given to us for free, but that's mainly because when you join Robinhood, and this is one of the things that attracted me to it, when you join, they give you a free stock. So I joined, I got a referral code, and then Brittany joined, and then she got a free stock, and then I got another free stock from her joining. So now I have 2 free stocks and Brittany has 1. And then my mother joined just because she felt sorry for me. And then she got a free stock, and then I got another free stock. So between Brittany and I, we have 4 stocks. So Brittany's gonna scoot over this way, and I'll try and put my phone screen over here. I've been using Robinhood for about a week now. And so I have 2 shares of what's called CPRX, or Catalyst Pharmaceuticals. Brittany actually got this stock as well, and so did my mom. So this may be one of their more popular stocks to give for free. So I think this was $4.59, $4.60 something when I initially got it. It's up to $5.20, so hey, gains are gains. I'm not complaining about that. My next one is AMRX, Amneal Pharmaceuticals. This one's dropped a little bit. I think this was a little bit over $5 when I was given this one for free. It's just dropped to $49, but overall, I'm up to $15.29, which is not a bad place. And then Brittany in her portfolio is going to have 1 stock of the CPRX worth another $5.20. So that puts our total 4-stock investment to about $20.49. Not a bad place to start. But if you are interested in getting a free stock, I will put my link below. You can click on it just out of full transparency. I will get a free stock as well, but you also get a free stock. And then you get your own referral link, and then you can send it out to your friends, family, or whatever. What's also cool about this is that Robinhood has what's called a cash management system. That gives you, as it says here, a 1.8%. Basically, it's basically a high-yield savings account that's FDIC insured. So anyways, there is a waiting list to get on this high-yield account, cash management account. And if you go over to this tab, you can basically just click this thing right here. It's kind of interesting in that the more you click on it, the more your spot in line goes down, the more ahead you get. So I'm currently number 1,186,582. So there are quite a number of people in front of me. But hey, I can just click on this all day. There actually is a limit.
There's a limit.
Yeah, you have 1,000 clicks and then you're tapped out. So I forget how many clicks I have left. I think I've already clicked on this like 600 something times today. But anyways, okay. So enough about
it. 6,775 today.
Yeah, really? I don't know why it's up that much, but I'm not. Robinhood, if you're watching. Okay, so if you want to search for specific stocks, what you do is just go over here to the search tab. Type in whatever you're looking for. So if you like Disney, you just type in DIS. That's their stock market name. Click on Disney. It gives you information. You can see how they're doing. 1 week in the past, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, 5 years, etc. So it looks like Disney's kind of a little bit up and down over the past 5 years, but up overall. So you have some basics of their company information right here, a little bit of news, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom. You get kind of like these hashtags that they would be categorized in. So television, 100 most popular stocks, resorts, media, broadcasting, etc., and a little bit of an about and some information on the CEO headquarters, and et cetera, et cetera. So, something else that you can do. I'm already following them, but if you're not following them, you can press this little check mark in the upper right-hand corner of the screen there, and then Disney will show up on your homepage, and you can just scroll down to, where is it? All the way at the bottom here, Disney, and then you won't have to search it every time you want to look for it. So I've got quite a number of companies, stocks that I'm following: Tesla, Nvidia, Microsoft, AT&T, Verizon. This one's a Realty Income Corp, which is kind of like I think it's a company that buys real estate and then pays out dividends for it. I also have a few other ETFs and like dividend-paying stocks in here. And that's because that's going to be my wife's and my investment strategy, I think, going forward. We're going to be investing in mostly dividend-paying stocks. We're going to try and average, hopefully, 2.5 to 3.5, maybe 4%. So we still have like some fine-tuning and details to work out, but that's what we plan on being our investment strategy, at least initially. We may actually set up a Roth IRA first and just get like a tax-free investment plan out of the way, and then start investing in things like dividend-paying stocks. Something I am looking forward to in the future, and something that Robinhood is planning to implement in the future, is what's called fractional shares. So for example, if we go to the search bar here and we search for Amazon, one stock for Amazon is $2,175. Now that is a lot of money. I mean, their stock price keeps going up and up and up, so Amazon seems to be a pretty good investment. But if you don't want to pay $2,175 for a single share, you can do what's called a fractional share, meaning you can invest $10 or $100 or $500 into a fractional share of Amazon. With Robinhood, you can't do that quite yet, but they do have a system in place to have that coming up, or they may even be doing that currently for some people. But I am currently it doesn't say on here, but I think the last time I checked I was like number 1.4 million in line. So anyways, that's kind of a tour of our 4-stock $20 investment portfolio that we will definitely be funding more and more over the future. So if you're interested in these types of videos, investment videos, definitely subscribe. I'll probably do like a formal review of the app after I've been using it and actually like legitimately investing over a month or two. So yeah, definitely hit that subscribe button if you want to see those videos. But yeah, we were just kind of excited and wanted to share this our first investments with you guys, and these 4 are them. Again, if you're interested in checking out the Robinhood app, my link is below. You don't have to, but it's there. We're going to be closing on our house in a week and a half, so we'll have more videos about that coming along. Definitely like a move-in vlog, and definitely like a thorough financial breakdown of everything involved in purchasing the home. So be looking out for those videos, guys. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye. So.
Hey. So we started investing our money.
What? That's it? It kind of got awkward there for a second. You should be like.
You want me to try again?
Yeah.
Okay.